It's time to have fun with Kitty and Lou.
Nice one. How do you like that?
Kitty, Smidge, what are you doing?
We're fighting.
Stop it, you two. We don't do that.
Oh, but it's fun.
Yeah, Kitty showed me a new kind of fighting.
It's called play fighting. You've got to be really nice and gentle, but it's still a fight.
No one gets hurt.
Really?
Come on, try it.
Oh, no thanks. I don't like fighting.
Oh, please, Lou.
It's not ouchy at all, is it?
Nope.
Oh. And it doesn't ever end with someone crying?
Nope.
Well, that does sound much better.
Yay!
Okay, what do I do? Do I need to roar?
Yeah, rowing's good.
Okay. Roar!
Yeah,
And then attack.
gently.
Oh, yeah, looks a bit huggy, but that's okay.
I'm good at huggy.
Oh, come on, Lou, get him!
I think he's got me.
Whoa.
It tickles.
I'll help you, Lou.
You're squashing me, but it's quite nice.
Oh, wait. If something hurts, even a tiny bit, you yell, beedly, beedly.
Beedly, beedly.
Yeah.
Yeah, and everyone has to stop.
Okay.
Oh, nice one. How do you like that?
Beedly, beedly.
Oh, Lou.
You okay?
Yep, fine. Just testing the system. Seems to work well. Hey,
What?
play fighting is cool.
Yeah. Play fighting, it's so great.
Play fighting, no debate. We can roll around in the dirt.
And nobody gets hurt, 'cause it's play fighting.
Hey, hey,
It's play fighting.
hey, hey.
Play fighting, it's the best.
Play fighting, forget the rest.
We keep it really nice, and no one ever cries.
'Cause it's play fighting.
So, Kitty, where did you learn this play fighting business?
I invented it.
You did? Wowzles. Uh-huh, and yowzles.
'Cause it's play fighting, check it out. Play fighting, there's no doubt.
We can play and play and play in every crazy way.
'Cause it's play fighting.
Hey, hey,
Play fighting.
hey, hey.
It's play fighting.
Hey, hey.
Hey, look, there's Pania.
Get her! Come on!
Hey!
Isn't she a bit big?
Doesn't matter!
Oh, you rascals. I'll get you.
Oh, no, you won't!
What about this?
You got me.
Pania, if it's too rough, you just have to yell beedly beedly and we'll stop, okay?
Too rough. I can't feel a thing. Harder.
Harder, guys, come on!
Yeah, up a bit. That's the spot. That's better. You're helping with my digestive processes.
Oh, Vanya!
Boodle, boodle, boodle.
Boodle, boodle, boodle.
Yeah,
What does that mean?
it means please can we stop because I'm exhausted.
Oh, it's fun though, right?
Uh-huh, and yeah.